How to mark chat as Unread on WhatsApp. So let's get started. This feature helps you to remember the respond later. It doesn't hide that you have read the message and the other person will still see blue tick mark enabled. But for your eyes only, it shows a green unread dot. To do that, you have to open your WhatsApp. Here, find a chat you want to mark as unread. Long press on the chat you want to mark as unread. Now, tap onto the three-dot menu on the top and you will be able to see an option called Mark as Unread. Tap on it. Now you can see a green dot has been appeared, reminding you to get back to it. And that's how you mark chat as Unread on WhatsApp. Fast and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.